This video will show you how to easily clean up contacts on Mac with the best contacts cleaner app for Mac. There are some unwanted contacts on my Mac, such as duplicate contacts. I will use ContactsMate to easily find and remove them. When you open ContactsMate for the first time, a message will appear asking for access to your contacts. Allow the access and contacts will sync between ContactsMate and the Contacts app. Let's see how to do the cleanup. Go to Preferences. As you can see, this contacts cleaner can find exactly identical contacts, partial duplicate contacts, contacts with incomplete information or incorrect information. Select the checkbox next to the type of contacts that you want to deal with. Choose on my Mac in the sidebar and click Scan. Select a random exact duplicate, choose Delete as the solution, and click Fix All. This way, exact duplicates will be cleaned up all at once. You can edit, delete, or merge contacts here. When it comes to contacts with incomplete or incorrect information, you can easily edit them. As you can see, the cleanup is cinched. If there are still unwanted contacts, you can perform the scan for the second time. Here I choose to merge them. You can also use this contacts cleaner to clean up contacts from other sources such as iCloud. Make sure that the Contacts checkbox is selected. Now click the Refresh button next to the Updated Contacts Detected message. System Contacts Mate is easy to use and powerful. You can find the official free trial download in the description section below. Thanks for watching.